Hey guys, Yuka here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Nvidia RTX voice in your current system. I'm currently running a GTX 1070. I'm not necessarily running the RTX required um to function, but I got it installed and got it working regardless. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the link in the description. You're going to go to the Nvidia website. It's going to pop up and it should have this. You're going to scroll down where it says setup guide. You're going to click download the app. Once you download it, save it anywhere. Does not matter. I already have it saved. You can open it. Once you get it open, it should give you this error. Nvidia installer cannot continue. So you're just going to click close. You're going to go your this PC, go to your local drive, your local C drive, wherever you have it downloaded. You're going to go to temp. You're going to go to your Nvidia RTX voice. You're going to go to this one. You're going to right click this. You're going to go to properties. From there, you're going to click security. You click at it. You're going to click this one and allow it. Should already checked. This one, you're going to click allow, apply, hit OK, hit OK. Then you're going to open it up with Notepad, I'm sorry. You're going to come here where it says constraints. You don't have to scroll down or anything. You just come over here where it says constraints. Delete this, go to file, save, close this out. Right click this again, go to properties, go to read only, click apply, OK. Here I go back, I click setup, I click yes. Once it's loaded up, you're going to see it's going to let you download it. Click agree and continue. And there you go. Click close. And there you go. It should be opening up now. Okay, guys, once you get it installed, once you get it opened up, this is going to be a little tab that you should get. Click on input device, click on whatever microphone you have, click remove background noise. Do not do it for this one. Just leave it whatever output or your default, whatever the case may be, but do not remove background noise for this because then your incoming audio will sound weird and you don't like that. You won't want that. I hope it was easy for you guys. If you have any questions or any comments, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you have any problems or any issues, just let me know. Just put in the comments and I'll help you guys out. But yeah, it's been your boy Yuka. Thank you for watching.